Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from OPPO device to TCL 4D. You need to start by going into Play Store on both devices and installing free app Could Send Anywhere. Then tap on Open. Now you need to click on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. After that, finally select Send on OPPO and Receive on TCL. Then you need to tap on all of those dots and choose Send. This way you can choose all of your content and transfer it later on. It will take a long time though, so I will go with this one photo, choose Send and tap on Got It. Over here on TCL, choose No Thanks and close this window. And now as you can see, we have two ways to connect. We can input this key over here and connect our smartphones by choosing Receive, but we can also scan this QR code by tapping on the scanning icon on TCL, selecting while using the app or only this time, and pointing our camera at the code. Now, as you can see, after a minute, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!